What's the meaning of catalytic converter? Catalytic converter. Catalytic converter.
Catalytic converter. Catalytic converter. A catalytic converter is an emissions control device that is used in the exhaust systems of vehicles to reduce the amount of pollutants released into the atmosphere. It works by converting harmful gases, such as carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides, into less harmful ones, such as water vapor and nitrogen gas. This process is achieved through a chemical reaction that takes place in the catalytic converter's core, which contains precious metals such as platinum and palladium. The result is a significant reduction in harmful emissions from vehicles, leading to cleaner air and improved environmental health.